like 500 by the time I woke up. I'm like, wow, right?
Okay, I hear you, brother.
Hey, my friends, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine, brother.
Hey, it's good to see you. It's good to see you guys. Hey, man, you guys been doing some great stuff. You guys
Also,
been
you
doing some
have.
great stuff. Hey, man, I used to get like 20 views. Next thing I know, Assad sent me a message last Friday. I had like 500 by the time I woke up. I'm like, wow, right?
Okay.
So thank you guys, for thank you for jumping on. I appreciate your hard work. So obviously you guys see that I'm an entrepreneur. I'm just trying to make it. I'm trying to get it right. You see the stuff that I'm talking about. Thank you for visiting my channel and making those comments. So the thing is, I need to sell courses. I want to establish this relationship.
Yes,
I
yes.
want to do business with you, and the way that we're going to be able to do business is, and I'm sorry, my camera is jacked up today.
No, no
The way that
problem.
we're
No
going to
problem.
be business, we got to sell these courses, okay? So you guys have been doing a good job. I'm about to share my screen in a second. You guys have been doing a good job of getting me the views. So what happened was the last video on Friday, I told Assad, I said, listen, I'm going to do a special offer and make an offer in the video, okay?
Okay.
And or whenever that was, Monday or Tuesday. And I did the offer. We didn't get any people to go sell, right? So it's like I need to get this going. My family depend on it. You know what I mean? It's like we can get thrown out, what have you. And I want to establish this relationship because I got like 6 or 7 other. I got 2 other channels that are actively going. And I want to do like 6 or 7. So what I want to do is I want to sell a course to reinvest it back in the business, which is you guys. So right now, you guys are my business. So any money that I make is going right back to you guys to do it more. Does that make sense?
Yes. I understand, brother.
Yeah.